Event logs are what happened before a computer crashed or got hacked. In this video, I'll break down why they matter in cybersecurity and which tools you can use to analyze them. Don't forget to subscribe. Event logs are like a diary of computer records. Records about login errors, records about system crashes. These log records can help you trace what happened, when, and sometimes even why. If a server went down, you can review a log to see what failed. If someone got locked out, logs show if it was a brute force attack. They're very helpful for troubleshooting, spotting suspicious activity, and investigating security breaches. On Windows, here are the common log types: System, Application, Security, Setup, and Forwarded Events. Let's say a user account gets locked. You might uncover 5 back-to-back failed login attempts from the same IP in 1 minute. You now know someone was trying to use a brute force access attack. Here are some tools used to view and analyze logs: Event Viewer, Journal CTL, rsyslog, and for enterprise level analysis, Splunk, Graylog, or the Elk stack. Learning to read event logs is a key skill in IT and cybersecurity. By the way, are you looking to move up from IT to cybersecurity? Drop a question or comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more cybersecurity breakdowns.